this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
In this video, we are going to talk about, do all humans have a different scent? So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Everybody has their own distinct aroma. Johan Lundström, a neuroscientist at the Karolinska Institute in Sweden, describes it as, like a fingerprint. Body odor has a significant hereditary component. Unless the twins are on different diets, even expert sniffer dogs struggle to tell apart identical twins. However, the researchers discovered that not everyone perceives smells in the same manner. We discovered that, depending on your genetics, individuals can differ greatly at the receptor levels, which means that when we smell anything, the receptors that are engaged might vary greatly from person to person. The pleasantness of a smell can be affected by a variation at the tiniest level of DNA, one amino acid on one gene. According to Duke University researchers, a different amino acid on the same gene in your friend's body could indicate that he finds the same odor repulsive. The receptors in our noses are encoded by roughly 400 genes, and the 1000 Genomes Project estimates that there are more than 900,000 different gene combinations. These receptors regulate the sensors that govern our ability to detect scents. A certain odor will cause a number of nasal receptors to become active, sending the brain a particular signal. However, Hiroaki Matsunami, PhD, Associate Professor of Molecular Genetics and Microbiology at the Duke University School of Medicine, pointed out that the receptors don't function the same for everyone. In fact, according to Matsunami, who is a part of the Duke Institute for Brain Sciences and the Neurobiology Graduate Program, the receptors in any two people should differ by roughly 30%. There are many instances where you claim to enjoy the fragrance of something while others don't. That occurs frequently, added Matsunami. However, the researchers discovered that not everyone perceives smells in the same manner. We discovered that, depending on your genetics, individuals can differ greatly at the receptor levels, which means that when we smell anything, the receptors that are engaged might vary greatly from person to person. The 30% estimate for the difference between individuals is probably conservative because the study didn't look at the promoter regions of the genes, which are very variable, or gene copy number variation, which is extremely high in odor receptors, Matsunami said. Although the genes that encode for odor receptors have previously been discovered, how the receptors are activated has remained a mystery, according to Matsunami. His researchers carefully exposed more than 500 receptors from 20 different individuals, each with small changes in only one or two amino acids, to odor compounds that might activate the receptors in order to learn what triggers them. The research was able to determine 27 receptors that had a substantial reaction to at least one odorant by exposing each receptor to a very low concentration of 1, 10, or 100 micromoles of 73 odorants, such as vanillin or guaiacol. This result doubles the number of known odorant-activated receptors, increasing it to 40. It was reported in the December issue of Nature Neuroscience. According to Matsunami, this research may have significant effects on the food, flavor, and fragrance industries. There is now no scientific basis for producing new compounds of interest, whether it's a new perfume or flavoring ingredient, he added. These manufacturers all want to know a reasonable technique to develop new chemicals of interest. We must be aware of the receptors that specific chemicals activate as well as the effects of those activations on how we feel and smell in order to accomplish this. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.